Thank you all for tuning in. You are just in time. We are removing this guy from heat. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Smells good, looks good. Here we go. Now, when you're resting your meat, you want to make sure to move it onto a cooler surface, like a plate, a resting rack, or a cutting board. Yeah. You want to move it to a cooler surface because this tray is hot, and if you leave it on there, it will overcook, and we definitely do not want that.
You should also avoid wrapping or covering the meat for the same reason.
Once you move it to a cooler surface, you want to leave the probe in there because our app takes into account carryover cooking, and it'll tell you how much time to rest it before your food is ready. That's it, guys. If you want to see more support and recipe videos, check out MEATER.com and subscribe to our channel. Happy fooding. You want to make sure you move it. Oh, let's do it again. And if you leave it on there. By the way, this steak is heavy. Let's get it to take 18. Because it is hot